Today's workout is using our wall to lose weight. जब हम बात करते हैं लूज वेट तो लोगों को लगता है कि सिर्फ कार्डियो करने से वेट लूज हो जाता है, कोई कुछ बोलता है, कोई कुछ भी बोलते हैं लोग. बट यू शुड रीड अबाउट द साइंस. साइंस सेज देयर हैज टू बी बैलेंस बिटवीन कार्डियो एंड रेजिस्टेंस ट्रेनिंग, व्हिच इज वेट ट्रेनिंग, स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग. अब जब हम वॉल की बात करते हैं तो वॉल गिव्स अस अ यूनिक एडवांटेज. सिंस वॉल पे हम जब फेस डाउन करते हैं तो इट बिकम्स अ एंटी ग्रेविटी थिंग, तो पूरी बॉडी की स्ट्रेंथ हम बहुत अच्छे से फील करते हैं. सो दिस गिव्स अस अ गुड बेनिफिट ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग. एंड अनदर बिग एडवांटेज ऑफ वॉल ट्रेनिंग इज कि ऑलमोस्ट एवरी एक्सरसाइज वी डू ऑन द वॉल it is automatically a full body workout. So it's an excellent way to lose weight. So let's get into this workout today, and this is using our wall to lose weight.
So the first part of the workout is stretch. अब हम दो stretch करेंगे. The first stretch is 15 seconds both length, 30 seconds stretch. So we are putting our ball of the toe on wall. And अब यहाँ से आपकी नी को फॉरवर्ड पुश करना है. So we stretch our calf muscle and quads. Stretch. This is for 15 seconds. You can set the timer for 15 seconds. And then we'll change to other leg. Similarly, try to push your knee forward. जितना आगे ले जाओगे नी, उतना अच्छा स्ट्रेच होगा. The better we stretch, उतनी हमारी मोबिलिटी रेंज बढ़ती है एक्सरसाइज करने की, और साथ में ही इंजरीज वगैरह के चांसेस भी कम हो जाते हैं. So it's very important to stretch. This is 30 seconds. The next 30 second stretch is we are putting our hands on wall and we are pushing the wall. अब वॉल को पुश करने में हमें शोल्डर की स्ट्रेंथ नहीं चाहिए, शोल्डर से पुश नहीं करना है, हमको हिप्स यूज करनी है. On the wall and push using your hips. Try to push your hip in. हिप से यूज करेंगे, so we are using the entire body. बीच में आप लेग भी चेंज कर सकते हो, no problem. This is again 30 seconds. 30 second toes, 30 second hip push. That's 1 minute stretch for us. After stretch, now we come to the core workout. अब हमने इसको ब्रेक किया हुआ है, 1 cardio 1 strength. Although जब हम वॉल पे करते हैं तो वो अपने आप फुल बॉडी एक स्ट्रेंथ तो होता ही है सब कुछ. That is the advantage of wall workout. But still we'll divide it. One exercise which will be more of, which will increase our heart rate more, and the second which will need more strength or building of strength. So the first is cardio, and then we'll move to strength. The first one is mountain climbers, but these are not the normal mountain climbers जो हम करते हैं हम लोग. These are the wall mountain climbers. So अब हम wall पे क्या करेंगे? So there are 3 levels to it. The first level is start from a low mountain climber. If you can't do this, then go high and high. So I'll show you the first one, which you should try. Pick up a low point on the wall and mountain climbers. You can go straight or you can do crisscross. Crisscross is much better. Then if you feel this is very difficult in the first go, then you should start from a little higher position. Then increase speed or carry on slow, no problem. This is 1 minute. Try to do low. If you can't do low, go high. So 1 minute of cardio with wall mountain climbers. The next is strength. So हमने सबसे पहले stretch किया. Then we did 1 minute of cardio mountain climbers. Now we do strength. So this is strength is basically we are again preparing for the upcoming exercises. But again this is very important exercise as well. इसमें पूरा concentration भी चाहिए. So we're doing squats, but we are doing wall squats. So what we gonna do is हमारे toes बिल्कुल wall से touch करेंगे, hands on wall, and throughout हम chest chin wall के पास या फिर almost touch करते हुए we'll do squats. This is again 1 minute. Do slow, no problem. Chin almost touching on the wall, toes touching the wall, and go slow down. Maintain your balance. Pull down and up. Maintain your balance. This is not as easy as it looks. So stay focused. Your focus is very important. as we were doing the circuit, cardio, strength cardio, so this is the turn of cardio again. So अब हम करेंगे wall jumps. So basically it's a little ninja trick, but हम full ninja नहीं कर रहे हैं, so we are doing the smaller ones. So what we are doing is wall, हमारा एक पैर wall पे जाएगा, हम jump करेंगे and half squat. Next leg, jump, half squat, jump, half squat. जंप करनी है, वॉल से पुश करना है, वॉल से पुश करना है, पुश फ्रॉम दी वॉल, पुश फ्रॉम दी वॉल. सो दिस इज अगेन a 1 minute drill. Try to increase speed. This is again 1 minute wall jumps. So we are again in the strength mode. This one is perhaps the most important exercise of this drill. So we're gonna do the wall walks. Wall walks is simple. At least it looks simple. So हम क्या करेंगे? We'll sit down with our legs go up, close to wall, come down. So it goes like this. Your hands go up. जितना wall के पास में जा सकते हैं. We'll go close, almost touch the wall. And forward. But forward में हमें ये करना है कि हमें लेग स्टेप करना है, एकदम से लेग को फॉल नहीं करना है. So we'll again do for 1 minute. Try to do as much as you can. 3, 4, 5, whatever. Gradually speed बढ़ाएंगे हम. Again 1 minute. After strength, we are again back to the cardio drill. So this drill is wall jumps. Let's call it wall monkey. So what we are doing is we become monkeys in home. This is very excellent. This is excellent drill, and this will really help us. जो हमने जिस purpose से ये workout design किया है, this is very helpful. So we are here, one hand on wall, one hand on ground. अब हमको ये लेग इधर जाना है, हमको इधर ऐसे जाना है, फिर यहाँ से हम हाथ चेंज कर लेंगे और ऐसे जाना है. इसी को हमें जंप के साथ करना है. So look at the step again. हमने यहाँ से ये jump, clear? Now we change our hand, again jump. So अब ये जंप कर रहे हैं, हम यहाँ से शुरू करेंगे. Now we got the drill. So अब look, we are doing the jump. पैर jump. This side. Hand change. This side. Change hand again. Jump. This side. Change hand. Jump. This side. जितना लेग ऊपर ले जाएंगे उतना अच्छा है. Jump. Or we can also go till there. If you have space, you can go. Otherwise, you can just do one step to and fro. So this is again 1 minute wall monkey. After wall monkey, so you're again back to a strength drill. Now this is push-up. Everybody knows push-up. Even if they have not done, they know push-up. So this is a little different. Again, we are using the wall. So we are giving additional strength on our shoulders and chest because of the gravitational force. So we are going to put our legs up and do the push-ups. So as per your skill level, as per your current strength, आप उतना नीचे ऊपर adjust कर सकते हो and धीरे धीरे you will get the strength. So but remember, hands, keep your elbows closer to your body, legs on wall, and simple push-ups. This is again a 1 minute drill. You can do slow, you can do fast. So I'll show you a few more times. And you can also go higher if you want. Or you can come lower, which makes it more difficult. So 1 minute wall push-ups. So after the strength push-up drill, we are again back to cardio. And this time, we are going to lie down on the back and climb the wall with the legs and down. So do as fast as you can for a minute. So it's simple. Just lie down, climb up, climb down, climb up, climb down, climb up, climb down. This is again a 1 minute drill. Be as fast as you can. This is excellent for your back, core, legs. 1 minute. And after the workout, don't forget to clean the wall, otherwise you know what will happen. So back at strength. This time we are doing planks. But since we are doing the wall workout, so this is even more powerful plank. So this time this plank is hands on wall, legs on ground. This is difficult, so let's try. Put your hands on wall and legs straight. So you can start with one hand on wall, one hand down. Keep changing. Keep changing. And when you are confident, then you can try both hands on wall. Slowly you can go down also. But make it very, very slow. Balance is important. Change hands. जब तक आप होल्ड कर सकते हो होल्ड करो. Try to focus on your core. You will need your full body strength. Hold as much as you can. This is again a 1 minute drill. बीच में आप single hand नीचे भी कर सकते हो. Try to hold as much as you can. This is again a 1 minute drill. Wall planks, 1 minute. Back to cardio. Now this time we are focusing on the glutes. So we'll lie down and make glutes bridge. Glutes bridge. ऊपर जाएंगे नीचे आएंगे. So we'll lie down, legs on wall, make a bridge, hold, down, up, hold for 3 seconds, down. 1, 2, 3, 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 down. 1 minute. Glute bridges on the wall. So back to strength. We are again doing a plank, but this time the reverse of from the last time किया था. Last time it was hands on wall. This time it's leg on wall. This should be comparatively easier, but again mighty effective. बहुत effective है ये. So leg on wall, hands on ground. Simply hold the plank. आपको leg को push करना है wall में, so that वो गिरे नहीं. And hold. In between, if you fall, you can balance and go back again, balance and go back again. But primary objective is to push your body, push your legs and hold. The goal is to reach 1 minute. If you come down, go again 1 minute. One minute, wall planks. Alright, so after the strength thing, now we are again back to the cardio thing. But this is a little different. So basically on the wall, we'll put our legs on wall and make mountain. आप सभी ने वो किया होगा. Mountain and the cobra pose. So we'll do a variation of it on the wall. So it's basically excellent for your back and overall weight loss. So let's see. The first thing is on the wall and make a 90-degree almost from your hip. And cobra 90, cobra 90, cobra 90. This is again 1 minute. If you can't do continuous for 1 minute, bring your legs down, go up again, do 1 minute. Great. So we are at the last minute of this exercise. So this is strength and this is a cool down also. So what we are doing is स्क्वाट होल्ड ऑन दी वॉल. तो आपको लेग्स को पूरा 90 डिग्री करना है एंड सिंपल बस रिलैक्स ऑन दी वॉल फॉर अ मिनट. बट हमको हैंड्स भी वर्कआउट भी करना है. कीप योर हैंड्स लाइक दिस and slowly take them up without lifting and down. Up without lifting, जितना ऊपर ले जा सकते down. The more you go up, उतना अच्छा shoulder की range आपकी बनेगी और shoulder mobility भी बढ़ेगी. अब इसमें the advance you have to add is also do one leg. So 1 minute करना है हमको. At least 10 seconds should be one leg. So one leg पे hold. Similarly on the right leg also. If you can't do this, no problem. Do the both legs, normal thing. तो दोनों लेग पे होल्ड रखना है. Keep your hands like this. Up, down. Your elbow should continuously be touching. Your back of the wrist should continuously be touching the wall. Up, down. So this was our wall workout of the day. I hope you enjoy it. Awesome. So we are at the penultimate, the second last exercise for today. This is the plank walk. So primarily it involves your entire body. Plank हमने किया है. इसी में we using the walk. So additional mobility for the shoulder, and you're gonna sweat like anything. So let's do the plank walks. Legs on wall, and we'll move. आपके पास जितनी भी जगह है, आप पूरा लेंथ में मूव कर सकते हो. Otherwise you can just go 3 steps and back. So I'll show you for the smaller area. Bigger area where anyway gets easier. Legs on wall, hold in plank and walk. बैक का ध्यान रखना है, बैक बेंड नहीं होनी चाहिए. Come back. So we have to do it for 1 minute. Don't miss this. This is amazing. Hope you like the workout. This is Shikhar, the Karate Guy, signing off for you. See you next time. Take care, stay safe, and share the feedback.